How many productive hours do you lose each day? Hi, I'm Tim Scurlock and welcome to this TXM Lean Minute. The start of each working day helps to set the pace and the tone for the rest of the day, and that's why TXM recommend you start each day with a daily stand-up meeting. Getting the most out of your team means that right from the off they know what the priorities are and what tasks need to be done each day. The first hour of each day is typically the lowest in terms of productivity. By the time your team has shared the football results, discussed what they did last night and had their first cuppa, you've lost a significant proportion of your working day resource. So make a daily stand-up meeting part of your daily routine. A simple whiteboard works very effectively, and during the 10 to 15 minutes you need to focus on, firstly, what was yesterday's performance, and especially how was it against target? Secondly, what problems did the team experience that held them back or stopped them getting their jobs done? For example, the wrong product at a pick location or an incorrect address for a customer. Don't spend time fixing these issues unless they're simple. They can be the subject of a later problem-solving meeting. And thirdly, plan today's resource. Who's going to be doing what and during which part of the day to ensure you meet today's target? Having a motivated, empowered team working for you means they work more effectively, and as a manager, you can focus less on firefighting and clearing up what went wrong yesterday, and more on how you're going to cope with the challenges of tomorrow and next month. Contact us at TXM to learn more about how to improve your business culture and drive improved performance. Thank you for watching this TXM Lean Minute.